ये सिर्फ लैपटॉप नहीं, ये एतमाद है, यकीन है और नई मंजिल का आगाज़ है। शुक्रिया मरियम नवाज़।
Myself Fasia Muskan and I am doing psychology from University of Sargodha. I am grateful to Mariam Nawaz Sharif Saiba for awarding me Honhar Scholarship. Your support is not just a financial assistance, it's a motivation to hard work. Thank you so much for believing in students like me and believing in our potential. Thank you so much.
मैं मरियम नवाज़ साहिबा का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें लैपटॉप दिए। क्योंकि पहले तो स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ते रहते हैं, हमें ये होता है कि हम पढ़ रहे हैं, हमें कुछ फ़ायदा क्यों नहीं हो रहा। ये पहली दफ़ा ऐसा हुआ है कि हमें पढ़ाई का फ़ायदा हो रहा है और हमें लैपटॉप मिल रहा है, जिसकी वजह से हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। थैंक यू मरियम नवाज़ साहिबा, थैंक यू।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafsa and I'm pursuing Bachelor's in Computer Science from University of Sargodha. This year I got Honhar Scholarship and now I'm getting laptop. This is a great opportunity. I'm really thankful to the Chief Minister Mariam Nawaz that she gave me this opportunity. Now I can transform my dreams into reality. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahnur Naz Khan. I'm from GGCW Miawali. I'm a student of BS Zoology second semester. Today we are here to receive laptops from CM Punjab. I would really like to thank CM Punjab Mariam Nawaz for this initiative. These laptops aren't just devices for us, they are gateway to our better education, opportunities and a lot more. I promise her that I will use this device to improve my knowledge and for the betterment of my education. Thank you again.